Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to codingscientist.com. You are watching Hero to Superhero series on Python machine learning algorithms. Alright guys, this is lesson number 9. That means we finished 8 different algorithms in the previous lessons. We covered almost 8 algorithms. This algorithm in lesson number 9, it's a pretty interesting one, which is called KNN, K nearest neighbor, which is a pretty interesting algorithm which is widely used across the industry, machine learning industry. So the K nearest neighbor, KNN, is also in a short, it's called KNN algorithm, is a pretty simple supervised machine learning algorithm that can be used to solve both classification and regression problems. It's easy to implement and understand, but has a major drawback of becoming significantly slow as the size of that data is, keeps growing. More the number of data, this algorithm becomes very slow. So it's a kind of catch-22 situation. You might want to pick up the right amount of algorithm, depends upon your project need and depending upon the size of your data and the clean data. That makes a lot of difference, right? Now the K nearest neighbor is one of the simplest machine learning algorithm based on supervised machine learning techniques. KNN algorithm also assumes the similarity between the new case, which is new data, and the available cases, which is available data, and put the new cases into the category that is most similar to the available categories. It's pretty interesting algorithm, right? KNN algorithm also stores all the available data and classifies a new data point based on the similarity. This means when there is any kind of new data appears within the system, then it can be easily classified into a well suited category by using KNN algorithm. It's pretty easy to plug and play kind of thing. Whenever there is a new set, you just don't have to classify again from the scratch and throw it into the box. You can just easily plug into the existing data set. This particular algorithm, which is KNN, can be used for regression as well as for classification, but mostly it is, widely it is used for classification problems. So guys, it's a pretty interesting algorithm, and now let's take a look at the code, the source code, the Python code to execute KNN algorithm and see how it works. Probably, let me just move on to my Visual Studio IDE. There you go. So we are importing collections from counter, and then of course NumPy and scikit-learn is the most popular packages across most of the algorithms. Will be using scikit-learn, and the data sets I put in the explanation. If you need further explanation, you can always reach out to me. I'll be happy to walk you through each and every line of code step by step. It's just about 61 lines of code to execute your KNN algorithm and build your pretty interesting machine learning project, right? Alright guys, so that's it for this lesson. I'll be happy to assist you one-on-one on my WhatsApp or Telegram or on the phone call or email or Facebook or LinkedIn or Telegram, any of the social media. I will see you soon. Goodbye.